Hi, everybody. Welcome to Dr. Mona Jane 2021 school year. I know you guys were looking yesterday for some information about your Intro to Computer class, and I apologize, but they don't have a teacher at this point. They moved Miss Roberts from that class to engineering. So I have told them that I will cover for the class for the first couple weeks. So I'm going to give you a heads up of what's going on and what you need to be doing as a hybrid learner. You will be coming to school on Mondays and Tuesdays or Thursday and Friday. You will be doing work in school, but you will also be responsible for some work at home. I know that the people who were in school today, they did a crossword puzzle, and tomorrow they're going to be doing a hardware type worksheet. And so I'm going to go over a little bit, but before I do that, I just wanted to give you a heads up of who I am, since I'm new to Mona Jane also. This was my first year at Mona Jane. It's my 23rd year teaching, my 10th year teaching computers. By the way, my name is Dr. Gerald, and I'm married. I have two daughters and 5 dogs. I'm sorry about that. Yes, I have more than 2 dogs. I was a professional tennis player and a home builder in previous life. I didn't start teaching until I was in my 30s. I love to travel because I used to play tennis so much. I still travel. I go to Iceland. I was supposed to be in Ecuador when all of the pandemic hit. I went to Costa Rica last year, and I have a huge travel trailer that I spend the summers traveling. I love puzzles. I love figuring things out, scrapbooking, crafting, and spending time with my family and my puppies. So something that a lot of people don't know about me is that I have been to all 7 continents, which is actually kind of cool. And you're going to ask me, well, what about Antarctica? I'm going to say, yes, I've been to Antarctica for 9 hours. It was so cold that it hurt when I took a breath. And I went there with a friend who was a pilot who did supply missions to Antarctica out of New Zealand. So it's very cool. I'm glad I got to do it, but I don't think that I'm going back. All right, so I'm going to give you a little bit about my puppies because everybody loves the fact that I have huskies. So I have 4 huskies, and I have an honorary husky. This is my honorary husky right here. That's Peanut. He is a Shih Tzu Yorkie. This is Roxy. She's the mother of everybody. This is Trixie. She's the troublemaker, and she's the baby. And then over here, we have Flash and Luna. They are brother-sister, and they're bonded. And basically, whatever Luna wants, that's what Flash does. She's the brain, and he's the brawn. So what we will be learning in this class is basically we're going to be doing Windows 10, Schoology, Microsoft Word, typing. We're going to be practicing typing so that we can get better at typing, because no matter what you do, you type. We're going to learn netiquette, which is how to be respectful on the internet, and Microsoft PowerPoint. This is basic intro to technology, hardware, some basic software, and it will get you ready for all of the research and such that you need to get done as you get older and in high school and college. So what to expect, as I told you, you are the hybrid course. You will have 2 to 3 assignments a week. 2 assignments at least will be done in class on whichever days you want to go. At least one assignment will be online that you are responsible for going on to the Schoology app and doing one at least one assignment. Each one of the assignments will have a video introduction and an explanation, and I'll read the directions and try to answer all of the questions. I also provide a student checklist that is solely for you. You do not need to print it, turn it into me, nothing. It is only there for you so you know what work needs to be done that week so that you can keep track of it. And then while I'm doing it, I will be having a live class about once a week. It is not mandatory. It is voluntary. You can choose to do it if you want. You can watch it live. You can watch the recording. It's not going to have any content that we are going over in class. It is going to be about apps and fun things, and just so that you guys can get to see one another and feel like you're in a classroom. So I'm going to explain a little bit about this interface of Schoology and what you need to know, but I just wanted you to show you my Luna as she was outside just having a wonderful time. It's pure joy for her to have her head hanging out in the wind. So let me know if I can help you.